Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to build a stunning SaaS landing page using completely free AI tools. The best part is that we won't be doing any manual designing or coding. AI will handle almost everything for us, but we're also going to do one thing that most AI website videos skip. And I'll show you what that is in a moment, so let's get started. And the first step is setting up our design skill. AI coding tools are trained on the same website template, so they all produce the same look. Purple gradients, the font everywhere, cards inside cards, and to avoid that, I'm installing a free open source skill called Impeccable. So this is the Impeccable skill, and I will also put a link for it in the video description down below. Now, to install it, it's super easy. You will find here commands down below. You can see here the installation options. First option is CLI installer, and you will pretty much paste this inside the terminal or Claude. And then you have here option 2, Git submodule, plugin install even, and many others as well. Now, what this skill will actually do, you can see pretty much right here. Design guidance for AI coding agents. First, one skill, 23 commands, live browser iteration, and 59 deterministic detector rules for AI generated front-end design. So yeah, let's just go here. I will copy the link for Impeccable, and I will go straight to my project folder. And here I will ask Gemini 3.6 Flash. However, you can also use whichever model you prefer, but right now I think this Gemini 3.6 Flash will do its job. So let's go here for this project, use this skill like this, and let's click on enter. And right now Gemini 3.6 Flash will go through this prompt. So you can see it right here. I have launched a task in the background to clone this repository so we can inspect its skills and integrate them into your workspace. So this is pretty much perfect. So let's click on submit here, and I hope it will do its job here. So right now it's doing something. You can see here that it also created this agents folder with the skill Impeccable. So you can see here that it's right now available. Now with this pretty much done, with the design pretty much skill figured out, let's continue here with the next step. I will go to Pinterest, where I will try to find some inspirations for my SaaS website. Here I will search for pixelated nature, and I think we can go with this one. This one looks pretty good to me. So one thing which I will just do here, I will just copy the image. Let's go here to Google AI Studio, where I'm going to modify this image from 9:16 aspect ratio, which is for a phone, to the 16:9 aspect ratio. So let's go right here, change the aspect ratio option to 16:9. Let's paste the image right here, and here I will ask Nano Banana 2 Lite, which is free by the way. So just like this, modify this image to be more green and vibrant. Also use ray tracing for the sun. Let's click on run, and let's see what Google AI Studio will come up with. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, make sure that you drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and if you want me to build you a website, make sure to click the first link down below and book a call. So this is what the Gemini actually created. I think it looks actually perfect. So let's go here and let's click on the download button. Here I will open this image inside my photo editor. Here in this case, I'm using Affinity Photo, but you can also use Photopea, which is completely free on web. And then you can also, by the way, use Photoshop. Now you can see here that Gemini actually creates this watermark in the bottom right corner. So here I will just select it like this. Let's go to the edit, and then let's click on the inpaint just like this. And then right now I will export this image without the watermark. And now with this done, the next step is to go to Google Flow. Now, you might be asking why Google Flow, but because Google Flow actually lets you create a free AI video. So let's go right here, click on the new project, by the way, and then right now here you can see that it's loading. Let's click on plus, and here click on upload media. Now I'm going to select the image I got here from Google AI Studio, generated by Nano Banana 2 Lite. Now you can see that it's uploading. And we can go here also to ChatGPT. And now here inside ChatGPT, I will go here, I will upload this image. So this image right here, and I will ask it to describe this image and create a prompt for the video. So simple as that. Describe this image and create a prompt for the video. And you can see here image description and video generation prompt. So I will just copy this, copy the whole prompt. Let's go to Google Flow and paste this inside. And then here video generation default 16:9. and it's going to use here, I think, Omni Flash generation model. So like this, and let's click on this, and I hope it will actually generate here a video. So here Google Flow is actually asking me, I will animate your uploaded pixel art scene using Omni Flash to create a tranquil 10 seconds looping video that preserves the original retro style and composition. Would you like me to kick off this one video generation costing 15 credits? Let's just go here, approve, do not ask again, and right now it's going to do its job. So now we can click here on the video. You can also see the preview. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, as you can see, and it's 10 seconds long and it's also looping. Now, if you're happy with the video, just click here on this button to download it to your computer. Now, the next step is to go to this website, asgif.com, where we're gonna convert the video to actual images. So let's go here to this website, go to the video tools, then go to JPEG, and then click here on choose file, where you will select a video you got here from Google Flow. And right here, click on upload video. Now it's doing its thing. And once we are here, for the frame rate, you can drag this up to 30, and size, I will go to original. So 1920 pixels. And once you have everything here set up, let's click on convert to JPEG. You can also pause the video and set everything up like I have done right here. So we already got here 30 of the images from the video. And let's go here down below, and I will click on download frames as zip. And of course, you want to here extract the zip folder. And once you have the extracted zip folder, let's go here to the Antigravity, where I'm going to paste this folder inside my project folder. So right now, let's click add folder to the workspace, and you can pretty much see how many of the images there actually are. And with this pretty much done, let's go here to Gemini 3.6 Flash, and let's enter this, run impeccable shape. And right now it's going to do its thing. So let's click yes, allow this time, and let's click on submit. And what type of website or surface are we shaping today? We have a landing page website for a business or product, a web application, dashboard, SaaS tool, a personal portfolio, documentation, and I will go with a second option. So like this, and then here, who is the target audience for this website and what tone should it convey? And here I will go with the second option once again. And the first option, of course, I think is this one, product showcase. Let's click on submit, and right now here, this skill, it's going to ask me one more question. What core domain or function does this SaaS tool dashboard serve? AI tool creative studio interface. Let's go with this, and I will go with this second option once again. Sleek light mode with refined typography, micro borders. Let's click on submit. You can see here everything. Let's click on accept all. And once this is done, let's go here and we will have to paste this inside. Then we're gonna use this command, impeccable craft. And then here I will also put in the prompt, build a canvas-based scroll-driven image sequence using the provided frames. Preload every frame behind a loading indicator before enabling scroll. Map scroll position to frame index using request animation frame. So let's just click here on send, and now it's going to do its thing. So it's crafting. Let's click on submit. Now here with the impeccable skill, we can also try to test the whole website in terms of the typography, margins, and everything. So let's paste this inside and let's click here on enter. Let's just click on submit here, and now it's going to use the skill, and this is it. So we can now right now fix it. So let's go here and let's paste this command inside. And here you can see that it gave it a score. You have here visibility of system status, score is 4, user control and freedom 3, and total you can see 27 out of 32. So I think it's pretty good, to be fair. And now we can go here down below, and we can go here and use this one as well. So let's go here, paste this inside, impeccable layout. Now, I think it just finished here creating a website. So let's go here to the local host. So this is the website, and I think it looks absolutely perfect. So stay for the last light, 300 moments of one impossible sunset, held in a continuous film and moved at the pace of your hand. You can see here that the birds are already moving as I scroll. And once I go here down below, we have another text layer. We have even this transparent square, yet another one. And once I scroll, you can also see here that it has this really cool thing down below where it goes from from top to bottom, as you can see. So I think it looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, this is here pretty much the website, the scroll stopping canvas. You can see as I scroll, it animates here the images in the background. So I'm super happy here with the result, and I will put every single tool I mentioned in today's video in the video description down below, so you guys can also replicate this style of a website. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, it's much appreciated. And if you want me to build you a website, check out the first link in the video description down below and book a call with me. Thank you again, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.